Hello guys, from today we will learn AutoCAD software. As we belong to Drawson Mechanical trade, we will use this software for drafting. Basically AutoCAD is a product of Autodesk company. They released this software in 1982. Their latest version is AutoCAD 2020. To run this software, we need a laptop or a desktop. They also have released mobile version of AutoCAD, but in the mobile version we are not able to modify or create our drawings. This software is not only used by mechanical engineers but also it is used in industry by architects, city planners, graphic designer, project managers. We can create 2D drawings, simple 3D models and its 2D views with the different line types and line weights as well as colors. Now let's take a look at the interface of AutoCAD 2017. Now as you can see, I have installed AutoCAD 2017 in my system or in my laptop. This is a startup window for AutoCAD 2017. With the help of drop down menu, we can select our required drawing template file. Basically, ACAD.dwt is used for 2D drawing. ACAD 3D.dwt is used for AutoCAD 3D drawing. In DWT file means in a drawing template file, you can save your units, layers and dimension setting. So now I'm going to open my drawing template file. So as you can see, I have already created some paper layouts in my drawing template file A4, A3, A2, A1, A0 with trim size, folder marks and grid zones and with the nameplate also. So now let's take a look at the interface of AutoCAD 2017. Here you can see the application menu. Here you can see the quick access toolbar. Here you can see the customized quick access toolbar. Here you can see software info. Here you can see Autodesk help window. Here you can see Autodesk 360 sign in. Here you can see AutoCAD window control and here AutoCAD specific window control. This is a menu bar. This is a ribbon. These are the file tabs. This is a viewport control. This is a model line layout tab. This is a command line or we can say command window. This is a status bar. This is the symbol of workspace switching. This is a navigation bar. This is a view cube. Now the plus sign on the screen is known as a crosshair or crosshead, and finally the black screen is known as a graphical window or a drawing window of AutoCAD. Now let's take a detail of every interface of AutoCAD 2017. So I'm going to start with the application menu first. With the help of application menu, you can create a new drawing. You can open the existed drawing. You can save your created drawing. With the help of save as option, you can create a lower version of AutoCAD file. With this option, you can import drawings from PDF or DGN to AutoCAD software. With this option, you can export your drawing in the form of PDF format or DGN format or in DWF format. With this option, you can create the print of your AutoCAD drawing. Now let's take a look at the quick access toolbar. So here it is a quick access toolbar. As you can see, same tools in application menu and quick access toolbar. But the advantage of quick access toolbar is that you can access tools in quicker manner than application menu. With the help of customize quick access toolbar, we can customize or we can add our daily required tool. For example, I need batch plot for a daily use. So what I will do, I will click on customize quick access toolbar and then select a batch plot option. So here you can see the batch plot option is added in my customize quick access toolbar. Now let's take a look at software info. So with the help of software info, you can see the working version of AutoCAD. With the help of Autodesk help window, you can study any commands in details. The Autodesk 360 sign-in is just like a Google sign-in. You can save your created drawing files here and you can operate or download it from anywhere. With the help of menu bar, you can see the draw tools, modify tools and dimension tools. And also from the ribbon, you can select the draw tools, modify tools as well as the dimension tools. Also, you can change the layers of drawing. Also, you can change the color of the line. Also, you can change the line weight of the line. Also, you can change line type of the line. Now let's look on the file tab option. So with the help of file tab, we can switch from one window to other. With the help of command window, we can see history of commands which you have given in AutoCAD. Basically 3D model layout and view cube is used in AutoCAD 3D. With the help of viewport control, we can change our drawing views like top, bottom, left, right, whatever as requirement. Also, we can change the visual style of our 3D model with the help of viewport control. With this cursor, we can select the object or we can draw any shape of regular geometry. As you can see, I am drawing now rectangle. Okay. Now with the help of status bar, we can identify which command of AutoCAD are running right now in AutoCAD. The running command are highlighted by the blue color and the deactivated commands are highlighted by the white colors. So right now I'm going to share the PDF file, the whole PDF file of this interface of the AutoCAD. So you can study or you can remember the numbers and the titles with the help of this PDF file. You can capture the photo of this PDF, you can take a screenshot of this PDF, or you can download this PDF with the help of the link given in the description box. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoys the lecture. Thank you.